You don't see these every day. Right-hand drive RX-7 3rd gen. Thing is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys, it's coming through. The thing looks plain, simple, and absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. Wouldn't mind owning one day. Would not mind owning one of these. And the fact that it's right-hand drive, you know, it came straight from Japan. Whew. I love a good RX-7. It's sexy. And then another gem. We got a bus. God, what's this guy doing? Bus over there. Seeing some things today. Seeing some things on the way home. Not a bad ride home so far. What's going on, guys? Back again, another video, another vlog. This one is gonna be a short one. Not gonna be too long. Only thing on tap for this one is how to install a Forge diverter valve spacer. Now, if you don't know about these, they're just a little spacer that goes in between your diverter valve and I believe the turbo housing. And when you let off the gas, it just, instead of recirculating the air into your intake system, it expels it into the atmosphere. So you hear a little bit of the turbo sound that you kind of want to have on a turbo car. So I had one on the CC, and now I'm gonna put this one on the GTI because I missed the turbo noise. Oh, this car is absolutely filthy. I saw on the forums that they sell black ones of these. I'm gonna have to get those because they look way out of place under here. And I'm thinking of soon maybe doing a little paint mod to the engine cover, maybe the battery cover and the fuse box, something like that. Just to add a little spice underneath here. And an intake soon. I want an intake. Anyways, if this is anything like my CC, we're gonna have to get down and get back here by the turbo to get to the diverter valve. I don't think I have to take the wheel off. Hopefully I don't. Maybe I will for space, but what I'm gonna do is jack the car up, take the wheel off. That way you guys can see and I don't have to crouch down and be in an uncomfortable position. All right, wheel is off, allowing me closer and easier access. The only tool you are going to need for this install is a 5mm Allen key or a 5mm socket bit, whichever you prefer. It's only 3 screws you have to pull out, put the spacer in line, and the spacer comes with 3 Allen head bolts, 3 replacement longer ones to put it in place. So let's get under there and see. Alright, let's get her underneath, see if you can get a good angle. I don't know if you guys could see. There's a brown plug going into the diverter valve right there. And you have the 3 bolts going around it. So all you have to do is reach up there, undo those 3 bolts, put the spacer in between, put the bolts back, and you're done. Let me see if I can get a better angle from under here. Oh yeah, better angle. There she is. Right there. Now be careful if your engine is hot like mine is. The turbo's there and an oil feed line is there, and I don't want to cook myself, so this is gonna take some real skill to not roast myself. Let's get to work. Okay, as you could probably see, I got the first 2 bolts out. The 3rd one is on the top side, so it's a little bit harder to get to. I might need to put on like a long sleeve shirt to get my hand in there so I don't get singed, but gotta do it. Okay, got the diverter valve out. As you see, it's sitting here. That's its normal home there. So all you're gonna do is put your spacer there. There's a flat spot on the spacer to make room for that little bracket right there. So put the spacer there, get the diverter valve, stick it back on, use the new hardware, and you are done. I had to use this attached to my half-inch ratchet to make it easier to get that top bolt out. So a little U-joint adapter, a 5mm socket adapter, and then 2 extensions. So if you get that, you'll be good to go. Came out super easy. Alrighty folks, everything's in, everything's tight. As you can see, there's a spacer right there, a little aluminum piece with all the holes. Just double check to make sure you don't see any gaps, which I do not. And now this spacer has 2 O-rings in there that will tighten down and create a seal, so you won't have any boost leaks. Okay, so with all the connections reconnected, should be able to come in, start the car. You're gonna hear the door dings. Let's close the You can hear it. It's not as loud as the CC was. Not even close. But you can hear it. Maybe under load. I'll put it here so you can hear. There we go. So, like I said, on the CC it was way louder. You didn't even have to rivet that hard. Like in the 4,000 or 5,000 RPM range to hear it blow off. I'd imagine the CC had a bit more boost due to the CC having 210 horsepower instead of the GTI's only rated at 200. So, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe under load and spirited driving like I'm used to, I'll get to hear it. So, that mod's done. I'm probably gonna wash the car because it is extremely dirty. So with that, if you like the content, subscribe, throw me a like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time in the garage. Peace.